I still remembered February 2016 when I first entered into the world of Forex trading. 3 months later, in May 2016, I entered one particular position, VIX Futures, with a position size of 40,000 Sing dollars. Can you guess how much I made that month? I made 25% in 1 month, which is 10,000 Sing dollars. At that point in time, these were the thoughts that were running in my head. Hey, maybe I can finally quit the dreaded job that I hated. And maybe I can even make more money. So not only my confidence level was high, my greed level was even higher. I was thinking maybe I can make $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 in 1 month. So what did I do next? I entered an $80,000 position. I doubled up in my VIX Futures position in July 2016, and as August came, September and October, that position was only worth 50% of its value at $40,000. At that point in time, I knew I needed to cut loss as I simply didn't have enough experience as a Forex and futures trader, and I didn't have enough knowledge about risk management and positional sizing, and all my hopes were dashed, and that was a financial low point for me. Another huge financial low point for me is this. After working 14 years in the corporate sector, I decided to venture on my first business together with my wife, which was our hawker business. Fast forward 2 years later, everything failed. It was a failed business venture. We tried everything we could to keep the business afloat, but we just couldn't make money. We changed stores, we added recipes, we tried different marketing campaigns, but it just couldn't work. Hi everyone, I'm John, one half of the Corporate Breakout Couple. In today's video, I'd like to explore with you the financial highs and lows of a person and how it's related to his or her retirement. In fact, we created a video some videos back about approaching retirement as a financial goal instead of as an age. If you have been following our channel for a while, you know that my wife Fran and I have found our financial success and became financially free by 2020, and we currently reside in Penang, Malaysia. We'd like you to understand this. Just like the stock market, it doesn't move in a straight line. The stock market moves into a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. So it goes like this, right? As it approaches higher. It doesn't move like this. So same as our own financial journey, there's a high, there's a low, there's a high, there's a low, and that's how we advance and we continue growing in our journey. Now picture this with me. If at the age of 36, if I only have held one source of income at the point of time, which means I only work in one kind of job in the corporate world, the trajectory of my finances would have been this. At the age of 36, with no new ventures into investments or businesses, it would just have continued its boring, linear path until probably the age of 65, where it will probably just go downhill from there because I had no other skill sets to make money. If you want to understand the game of money and you want to be successful in your finances, you need to understand that you need to experience highs and lows in order to learn and grow and get to the next level. The very painful but crucial learning lesson for me as a Forex trader in my first year where I lost 40,000 Sing dollars, it paved the way for me to really want to learn about the fundamentals of the economy, and then got me interested into investing into gold and silver, such that by 2020, I experienced a financial high of making a healthy 6-figure profit of my gold and silver investment because the stock market tanked for a good 3 to 4 months. Because of the Forex introduction, I then also delved deeper into the world of investing and trading as well, where I picked up options trading, and in 2020, after I rotated out of the gold and silver, I went into options, and I also experienced financial high by making about $30,000 Sing dollars in one day. Another financial high that I'd like to share with you is that I'm also a real estate investor for more than 10 years, and one of the properties that I bought and sold got me a profit of 450,000 Sing dollars after holding it for about 7 years. Now, the reason why I'm sharing with you all these personal experiences of my financial highs and lows is not to put a feather in my cap, but rather I'd like to drive down this point to you that if you want to grow in your financial journey, you will want to experience financial highs and lows, and not the linear manner which the traditional retirement path trajectory will lead you. So in short, if you're interested in breaking out of the traditional 9 to 5 corporate rat race, you need to be doing something different in order to experience financial breakthroughs. So what are financial breakthroughs? They are highly significant, improved financial performances which can alter your course of life. It could be a breakthrough year in terms of your job performance, like a huge bonus or a big paycheck for your sales commission. Another example could be a huge profit from the sale of your property through capital appreciation. Another financial breakthrough example could be you building your skill level in terms of investing such that you can get consistent passive income from dividends, whether it's from ETFs or stocks. Now, financial breakthroughs are not just about making money. It is also about keeping money, which is, note this, a separate skill set from making money. Financial breakthroughs in terms of money management could be an example like this. When Fran and I were hawkers for 2 years, we kept a minimalistic lifestyle because we had simply no time. So the experience taught us to really value time above everything else. Material things are secondary. And since then, we got a lot clearer about how we want to spend money on things that gives us joy, and other things which are less important are things that we don't need to spend unnecessarily on. So learning how to keep and manage your money and being a master of your budget is a financial breakthrough. In order to set yourself up for financial breakthroughs, you need to do something different. And that means you need to push yourself out of your comfort zone often challenging yourself in an unknown territory. An example of a comfort zone is your job that you have been working at for years and that's your one and only source of income. How about trying something different, like picking up an investing skill set, maybe try trading, or perhaps a side hustle that you can always start small and grow from there. At the end of the day, if you want your financial results to change, you got to do something different. Albert Einstein said it the best. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. The modern world today is evolving so fast, not just in terms of geopolitics, not just in terms of technology, but in money dynamics as well. So if you're not keeping up with the financial news and financial markets and understanding the dynamics of global inflation and interest rates, understanding debt, the astronomical debt levels caused by a lot of money printing QE measures, understanding how fiat currencies and the weakening of the value of money, the wars, the geopolitics that's going on now that's creating a lot of stress on the financial markets as well, then there is a good chance that you might get left behind and you will suffer in terms of your finances. So I strongly suggest that you stay updated, stay connected with the news, and always be a student of the markets. In order for you to have a successful retirement or early retirement, you want to experience financial highs and financial lows so that you continue to have financial breakthroughs in your life. Remember, retirement is a financial goal, it is not an age. So therefore, how early you want it to be is completely up to you. If you want to continue growing in your financial journey and continue upping your financial literacy, come join us on our free masterclasses which we conduct a few times a month. They are on Zoom webinars, and do join our mailing list in the link below so that we can send you the Zoom details. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has given you good value, and as always, do hit the like button and subscribe to join our YouTube family so that we can create more videos like this for you. Bye bye!